Welcome to this week's ForexBunker's weekly wrap and master candle review. We'll go over the master candles for the week as well as what has happened on GU and GJ. We'll start off with the master candles. We had a couple this week, but only one of them was a trade, and we'll go over that right now. As you can see, it's these lines on the chart right here, which is based off this candle. This candle was about 70 pips in size, and we had a strong break to the upside. This was quickly retraced, and we did get back to break even before we were stopped out. Now, just on the note of this, we will classify this trade as a stop out for the rules, as the rules don't state what I'm about to say. But if a master candle does happen like this, remember we're after the volatility push or the break of this zone, so of this. Now we had that push through, but it was quickly rejected, and this was many hours to about 24 hours, so a whole day, and we still didn't have a strong push up. So I'd really consider getting out at break even and waiting for another trade, just for future reference. But for the rules, as we don't state that break-even rule, we will classify this as a loss. But overall, it was a good week for other trading, and we had non-farm payroll at the end of the week as well. I hope you all did well with the master candles on other pairs if you do trade them. And we'll have a look at GU and GJ right now. So this is a daily chart of GU, and as we can see, we have been working our way through these zones. Our first day was here, and we didn't really have that much movement. We've been in a tight around about 100 to 150 pip range for the entire week, so it did make trading quite interesting. We didn't have any strong pushes in any direction until non-farm payroll, which was quite strong. So we might see a push up through this zone, might have a bit of a retrace to it to confirm it, but we should see a further push higher for this pair for this week to come. We did have a nice candle here that could have pushed through, but we've had no closes below this area, so there's no real sign of that at the moment. Other than that, it's been quite wicky in the last couple of weeks, but it's just the sellers moving in to see if they can push it under this 6,000 zone. Alright, on to GJ. GJ, this is also a daily chart, and GJ had a bit of a move down this week. This is our first candle. It's actually a trend line that comes through here. And as you can notice, just a bit higher. As you can notice, we had no closes above this, so it's been quite a strong resistance area for the pair. So we could see a further push down or another test of this zone. It has been pretty hammered, and what I mean by that is there's been a lot of pressure against it. The buyers trying to push through. They just haven't been able to at the moment. So we could see a further drop down for some support around here, or we could see from this candle after non-farm payroll a further push up. I think the up move has higher odds based on news and a few things like that. But overall, I hope you had some good trades this week and got lots of pips, and I'll catch you next week.